Welcome to Mum's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. You will need 80 grams of light brown sugar, 80 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 150 grams of butter at room temperature, 200 grams of chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Heat the oven to 190 degrees C or gas mark 5. Put the soft butter together with the brown and white sugar in a large bowl. Beat together with a big spoon until creamy. Check the egg is fresh by putting it in a mug of cold water. If it stays at the bottom, it is fresh. If it floats, it's not very fresh. Crack the egg into a mug and beat it with a fork. Then add to the butter and sugar mixture, together with the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mix well. Sift the flour and baking powder into the mixture and mix in. Then add the chocolate chips. Use a teaspoon to make small scoops of the mixture on a baking tray, or roll them into small balls. Space them out as they will spread when cooking. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Leave them to cool before lifting them off the tray. Thank you for watching this video, and if you try this out yourself, send us your pictures at Mum's Cooking Corner on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.